Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'll be showing you a little method I use to scan any free models for viruses. Because you know, with all those plugins with their stupid viruses that they actually give you. So, without even any talking, which I just talked, let's get started. So I'm just going to scroll down a bit to the shady section of the Roblox free models page. So let's see, there we go, car on fire. So that's a not bad model, probably stolen from someone. Alright, so you got this car on fire, but we have no clue if there's anything in it. So what you do is you type in the workspace, right about it says filter, just type in script. Already you can see all of those. So make sure it's your car you click on. You don't want to delete your actual joints. Yeah, you don't want to delete your actual scripts. So let's go ahead and remove these two from the fire. If you look here, we have proper grammar needed in philosophical location. Insert new here. Okay, and yeah, you got all this. So you can just delete these one by one, or rename it. Control C, Control V, and make it all. And yeah. So you can go through here and look how many of these are. So this guy thinks he's smart. You can't click him up yet. Well, what you can do is keep that name that you Control C, which is copying. I don't know why I just say Control C. Go inside, copy it. Look, I just remembered. Okay. Make a new script in your workspace. We can delete this right after, or actually just disable it and have this as your testing script. Okay? And we're just going to paste this here. And we'll do local model. Oh my god, please, okay, sorry, so wires on keyboard. Model to disinfect equals. Okay, so you just put your model right here. So yeah, so we're gonna do for I equals 1, comma, hashtag, oh my god, my keyboard stopped glowing, so I can't really see it. Model to disinfect. Do. We're gonna do if class name equals rotate P. Do proper capitalization here, and then infected one. And I mean I. You're meant to do I here. For all of this, you need to do I. Okay. Okay. Yeah, make sure they're not one. I mean, make sure they're I. Don't know what's wrong with my brain today. Okay, I infected dot class. Oh no, colon destroy. I've already checked the class name. Let's destroy it. Now if I copy this, paste it in here, hit enter. Watch this. Okay. Clear. See, all the details are here. For every last infection is gone. Then you just save this line of code. Just save this in like a notepad or something. Just save it in a notepad, and you will be able to, disinfect stuff. And all you'll need to change is this. And you can disinfect different models by just going over and changing this to a different model. I will paste this whole script in the description so you can have it to yourself. And if let's say your thing didn't have rotate P's and was actually just the script, it was just some script that infected it, you could change this to if it's a script, then destroy, or if it's a certain name. If they're all named the same thing, you can set a certain name. So yeah, you can just change this to whatever. So I'm gonna put some variables for you, or not variables, some noting for you. Whatever your disinfecting is. And then over here we'll do the model to disinfect. Yeah. Your model here. Done. And yeah, go ahead, paste that in. nice clean car. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, open up a notepad.